Devastating floods in Nepal. Nepal has been hit by a devastating flash flood that has caused massive destruction. According to the latest reports, at least 469 people have died, while around 1,000 people are still missing. Rescue teams are working in the affected areas to search for survivors and missing people. The disaster was not caused by ordinary rainfall alone. A major glacial collapse in the Himalayan region sent a huge amount of water and debris into the river system, triggering a sudden and powerful flash flood. Because of Nepal's mountainous terrain and narrow valleys, the flood spread rapidly and caused severe destruction. Homes, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure were damaged or swept away. Rescue and relief operations are still continuing, but authorities are also warning about the risk of further flooding and landslides. The situation remains extremely serious, and thousands of people need emergency assistance and shelter.
Pull